There were a lot of questions in my video last week about what I carry in my EDC packs regarding things that were missing. I'm going to talk about what I carry on my person. So this would be level 2. What's in this pack is level 2 gear, and level 1 gear is basically what I wear. It's in my pockets, it's on my body. And this is just something that we were trained to do in the military. We had level 1, level 2, level 3. So now we're going to discuss it. Okay, first, I have a folding knife. This is a Buck 722. Replaced my Buck 186 that I used for over 20 years. It stopped holding an edge. So I stopped carrying it and moved on. You've seen me carrying this in almost every video. This is my Odin Wolf W Mini. This is made out of D2 steel. Short, it's easy to wear. You can wear it on your pocket, or, you know, like I do, on a belt loop like that, facing the other way. Of course, I typically have a firearm. I'm using the Phlster Enigma. Have my wallet, which is a bridge. Of course, my car keys. Don't worry about that, but I do keep some cards separate from my wallet, just in case. In every pack and with me at all times is a Bic lighter, and you'll see around this Bic lighter I have some Gorilla Tape, any kind of duct tape. It burns for a long time. It'll start a fire. You can also use it for basic repairs of your clothing, and in a pinch you can use it to cover a cut on your arm or something like that. Okay, this is my first aid kit. This is in my pocket all the time. That's why I almost always wear cargo pants. If I'm not wearing cargo pants, I'm going to a business meeting or something like that where it's inappropriate. I'm wearing a Hugo Boss shirt, Bruno Magli shoes. It wouldn't make sense for me to wear cargo pants there. So then this would go in my whatever it is that I'm using for my EDC pack that day, which once again is not this. I have other packs for that kind of stuff. Now in this, what this is a Dart Master dart case that I got at a thrift store for $5. It's made out of Cordage nylon. It's good stuff. And in this, you'll see I have a space blanket. This is a chest seal for sucking chest wounds. Fortunately, I haven't had to use one of those in civilian life. You'll notice that there is also a lighter in here wrapped with Gorilla Tape. This is just 2-inch Gorilla Tape. But once again, it's really good for sealing up cuts or something like that. You can also use it to run on each side of the wound and then sew it together without puncturing your skin. Some triple antibiotic ointment, a Sharpie, an Israeli bandage, and some Band-Aids. And also in here is another multi-tool, this little Leatherman Micro. I've carried this for years. I think I got that in 1996. And I keep 1 day's worth of ibuprofen, just in case I, bust up my knee or my back. I have some back pain or something like that. It can get me through my day sometimes. Also, let's go to the other cargo pouch. Okay, so this is what I carried in the military as a tourniquet. I believe they market these as SWAT tees now. This is a bicycle inner tube. We carried these with us. We had them in our cargo pockets, and we carried them with us in the field. And if something happened where somebody needed a tourniquet, this is what we used. I carry a Crescent Wrench, and I know that seems odd for everyday carry, You would be surprised how many times a day I have to use this. Or in a week. I just used it today. I had to adjust a hydrant. I carry another little bundle of cordage. This is 550 cord. And that stuff is invaluable. Has a lot of uses. I have a flashlight that I carry with me everywhere. This is a MagLite Mag-Tac. It's rechargeable. You can recharge this with USB. It's very bright and it does everything I need it to do. Of course, my watch. And now, let me know in the comments, what do you guys carry? Everybody's different. Everybody, I mean, think about it. My needs evolve as the year evolves. And as I've said, you know, one day I might be dressed up and going to a business meeting. Other days, like today, I had to go and work on the farmstead. I had a lot to do. But this is in all the pockets of my pants. So when I change my pants tonight, all of this stuff is going to get moved to the other pants. And if I have a business meeting, it's going in a different kind of pack. So that my pockets won't be all bulging out and look like a weirdo. So that just about covers everything that I normally carry with me. I'll also carry spare magazines. I don't have one with me today, other than the one that's in my pack. Hopefully this was helpful for us. So everybody's needs are different. As you go through your day and as you go through your week and as you go through your months, your needs, the things that you need to have with you are going to change. And that's just the way it is. So your EDC today may not be your EDC tomorrow. Well, mine is going to change. Mine's definitely going to change and has changed. I'm retired now. I spend less time consulting. I spend less time in an office environment. And the things that I have to carry are different. And you're no different. There is no hard and fast rule about things that you must carry. Your activities are going to be different than mine. The things that you do during a day are going to be different than mine. So whatever it is that you carry, that's good. That's all I've got for you today. Stay safe.